On this video, I'm going to be turning an axle collar. It's going to be for a 1-inch shaft. I'll be using a 4-piece lathe turning bit set from Banggood.com. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive straight into the demonstration for you guys. So I was finally able to complete those axle collars that I was building there. I was able to turn that material pretty easy with the Banggood 4-piece lathe bit cutting set. Now what also is included with this 4-piece set is 10 pieces or 10 carbide inserts. These are Ceratip from Kyocera or Kyocera. All these bits include their own little tools for fastening the carbide inserts, plus the sleeves. So that's pretty cool. The boring bar is pretty long. So everything's well protected even during shipping. So I really have no complaints at all. I mean, I did mess up one of the carbide inserts, but that was operator error. So, but it still cuts. Now I'll just go ahead and show you the collars here. I mean, these are marks from the chuck and stuff from like tossing it around and being on the lathe, but I mean, I got a decent finish. I think I did. So for those of you out there that want to know more information on this 4-piece kit, I'll go ahead and leave all the information in the description box down below. I want to go ahead and thank you guys for checking out this video. Also, I want to thank all the new subscribers and viewers that I've been getting on this channel. So thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next one.